how to minimize your error on your books. Hi, welcome to Wycotax, where we are giving you tips and tricks to any tax, payroll, bookkeeping plus EIDL loan. I'm Christopher, an immigrant founder of Wycotax, an all-year-round, all-in-one tax, payroll, bookkeeping service solution. That is bookkeeping. This is one essential component of your accounting department. You need to really have a good eye and experienced bookkeeper doing your books, especially if you are making like more than $250,000. I feel like you can do your own books if it's less than $250,000 based on our experience dealing with clients. However, when you already reach $250,000 and more, it gets more complicated, especially if you're doing e-commerce, you have so much inventories, you have local stores, or even you have an online stores. Don't you ever be by yourself, because it's remember, if you did your bookkeeping way back 2017 that is wrong, I'm telling you, it's going to raise a red flag to the IRS. It's going to have so much complexity. Now, what you can do is follow this simple formula that you can apply to your business. The A.I.D method. A.I.D method. What are the A.I.D? If this is for beginners, the person that first time use your QuickBooks, what you have to do first is you need to automate. When we say automate, try to automate all the payment. If you have utilities that you can automate, that's fine. Your mortgage, insurance, all of those can be automated and connected to your business bank account. It makes your job easier. As much as possible, any merchants or third-party vendors that can be paid online without paying cash, avoid. I don't know. I'm not just a believer of using cash to any type of business. Maybe some, it works for them, but in the accounting world, that's a headache. Number two, the I. What is I? You need to integrate. When we say integration, for the bookkeeping, you always remember there are some banks that they can be integrated and credit cards to your QuickBooks. For example, because we're using QuickBooks online or desktop, anything can be thrown. All the transactions can be thrown to your QuickBooks account, whether it's desktop or online. All you have to do is find a way. Just type, for example, you're using bank Wells Fargo, type Wells Fargo QuickBooks integration. That is possible. At the same time, with your POS machine, try to explore the POS system that you're using, or even your Shopify. Find ways to find integration, like Shopify integrate with QuickBooks. Those are the root words that you can use. Enable for your bookkeeper, or you alone can monitor all the transactions, the money that's coming in, the money that's going out. All of those can make your job easier. Then the last one is letter D, delegate. Going back to my previous example, like we have a client, she started to really make so much money on her e-commerce. She's selling a lot, but also she has a local store. She cannot keep up with the sales, the transactions, but she did not have any bookkeeper. Guess what happened? And this is very common, not just to her, but to most of the clients we're dealing with the first time she got audited. You need to learn the art of delegation, letter D. Delegating, especially if you're not an accountant, you're not a bookkeeper, payroll, or even tax professional, don't ever try to resolve an issue with the IRS, especially in times of audit. You're just putting yourself or digging yourself in a hole. So remember, find an experienced bookkeeper or outsource it with us. If you have more questions of bookkeeping related concerns, feel free to click the link below and book your 30-minute free consultation. Again, that's it. That's my time. If you like this and you find this content valuable, the A.I.D, automate, integrate, and delegate, please click share and subscribe on our channel, because here in Wycotax, you deserve the max. Stay safe.